Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. If you watched my last video, which I just made an hour or so ago, but it's at the end of the install video from Saturday. It is now 10:15. I came in at 8:15 to start loading up for tomorrow, Monday, for the Wesley Hills project, Wesley Hills, New York. Julie and Patty help me get the bar out of here. There's no more bars in here. It is free again, open for the next project to be built. However, I got to get this next one out. So took us way less. Julie got here at 9. She left 20 minutes ago. So it only took us about 45 minutes, not even that long, to load up. So we got the palms. Like I said in the last video, all the tools and everything we need are already in the truck from yesterday. So we loaded more palms. I put the roof in, and then Julie and Patty helped me load the bar. So I am all set for Wesley Hills, New York tomorrow. I have a crew of 4, and hopefully this is a quick install. It's a smaller bar. There's not a whole lot going on with it. So I just got to tie in the electric, and then we got to thatch the roof, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully it goes quick, it goes simple and easy, and we can get back. And then Tuesday, I'm right back at it again, starting another one. But I got the truck cleaned out this morning, as you guys saw in my last video. I just came in, I was getting ready to clean the truck up so we could get loaded up, and we're all set. So hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. I think I'm done for the day. It's 10:15. As I said, I got out here at 8 o'clock. And we're all packed and loaded. That was the easiest load up that I've ever done. We're just going from one job to the other. So, all right, I'm going to keep this one short. At the end of this video, it will start the video for Wesley Hills, New York. So I'm going to combine this with that. So this is the beginning of that project. And the end of it will be maybe when we get back, or maybe at the end of the install. We'll see how things go. But I'll keep this one short. I'm off for the rest of the day. It was a long day yesterday, 15 hours, and a lot of driving. So I'm going to relax today. We got to take my daughter to the Philadelphia airport. She's going to Florida for a few days to visit her mom in Ward. And so we got to do that tonight. But other than that, I'm done for today. All right, and no, I'm not starting another bar. I am not starting another bar until tomorrow. All right, I'm not working. Well, I do work 24/7, but not today. I don't know what time the Phillies game's on, but I'll probably watch that if it's not tonight. All right, well, once again, thanks for the crew yesterday. I have a different crew tomorrow. It's going to be myself, Jimmy Barlick, Scott, and Mikey Nemec. So we'll see how things go tomorrow. All right. Well, guys, like I said, enjoy your weekend. And from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out. Hey, guys. Well, it is Monday, so we must be in Wesley Hills, New York. We left at 6 this morning. What time is it? About a little after 8. So looks like we're putting the bar right there. We got a 5-foot gate for a 6-foot bar, but we should be able to turn that thing in without a problem. It was raining today on the way up here. It's a little really overcast right now. Hey, look, we got Mikey today. That's right. Mikey, Jim, and Scott, and myself. So let's see. There we go. We got to get them to move the vehicles. What's that, Scott? Yeah, we got a flamingo too. So I'm going to shut this off and splice them all together as I always do. Right, Mike?
That's right.
Right. Mikey Nemec. All right. Until the next video, Tiki Kev out. Meanwhile, 20 minutes later, we already got the bar and roof in. We actually carried the bar. It wasn't that bad. The truck was right there. Backed it right down to the gate. We turned it in, and that was it. I would have loved to film us getting it in, because the 4 of us carried that. It was a little heavy, but we got it. And that was it. That's all she wrote. So I think they're getting ready to pull the palms out, and Scott's bringing his ladder. And we're going to thatch this. I'm going to put the footrest on, and then we're done. So hopefully we're out of here in the next 2 hours or so to get back home. I don't know what time it is, but It took us 20 minutes to get that thing set up. So that's really good. So until the final video, there's not gonna be much time to videotape anything as fast as this should go. So let's see what we got going on. Scott, that net is going to be so tiny. All right, unloading all the cuts. All right, well, I'm going to help them with the palms and see you guys in a minute. Tiki, get out. All right, well, Scott's on the roof. When I said I'll see you guys in a few minutes, literally it's only been about 15-20 minutes. And Scott's moving pretty quick up there. Scott was a little butthurt. Krabby Larry's more famous than him, so let's make... He's upset. So Scott does have an album coming out. Scott, did you name your album yet?
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
I showed you the album cover.
Well, yeah, I saw the album cover, but what's the name of it?
Phantasms of Bizarre Night and the Greatest Affront to Humanity.
Right, what he said, because there's no way I can repeat that.
To the fabric of humanity.
Especially with the slur. And no, Scott's not drinking. I'm just busting his chops. Jimmy Mittens. I'll tell you what, Jim, very impressed with the way you kept up. I really thought you were going to be about 15-20 minutes behind us in that truck. My co-pilot didn't say anything about that.
Nah, man, he drove pretty good on these roads.
I looked back, and I was getting ready to call him when we got on those small back roads.
Yeah.
Tell him just to be careful, and
Right
holy crap, he was right there. All right. Nah, you know what? There's only 5 feet of net left on there, 6 feet. There's nothing much I could do with it. You can hang it in somebody's tiki hut and put shells in it. All right, no Patty today, no Julie, no Melissa. This is weird. Just 4 dudes putting together a tiki bar.
That's right.
That's right.
One more long? One more? Oh, you're gonna bring more, but I need one.
All right, so I got time to tape today. There's Dave and Isaac, the new owners of the bar. All right, well, until the next segment, Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, well, it is 11:15 and we are done. So we got here, I think around 8:30, and it's 11:15. So not too shabby, not bad. This one, as far as getting here and doing the install, it's nice and smooth. You got the famous Scott DeWitt there, Scott with 1 T. He still can't afford the other T. I don't know why though. And then you got Mikey Nemec and Jimmy the Finger Barlick finishing the cleanup. And this one is a wrap. Ooh, we left the broom and wipes. Hey, Mike. Yo. Hey, stick your head around the corner, would you? All right. Details. Details are very important. Always leave the job site cleaner than when you got there. So, all right. So this is the one you guys saw in the shop. This is number 14 of the season. So it's a 6x6 red cedar custom tiki bar, and it's got a 6x6 roof, but I made the roof kind of steep, so there's a lot of water runoff, and there's a decent overhang, even though the roof is the same size as the bar, with the palms overhanging. It fits pretty good. Everything worked out well here. So they supplied their own bar stools, which are actually really nice. I like these. So we have rope lighting and we have cabinets. And I mean, they could probably get a ceiling fan in here, but a small one. It'd have to be a small one. But this fits perfect in this backyard. This tiki bar really, I think, really finishes this yard. So Bob Ashby, take a look at this backyard. You got some work to do, buddy. Now, the two best yards I've seen are Bob's. Well, everybody's got nice backyards, but these guys are set up really nice here. This looks like a resort back here, just like Bob's. And you guys see Bob's videos of his backyard. So very nice place here. So we are finished. So that wraps it up for this weekend's road trips. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we are done. So back in the shop tomorrow to start building the North Wales project. There's Isaac. Isaac's the one that designed all this.
Yeah, I designed the whole...
He did.
Yeah.
I never even met his parents until I got here.
Yeah.
I dealt with... How old are you, Isaac?
16.
You're 16. I dealt with Isaac the whole entire time.
Yeah.
And I met your parents when we got here.
Uh-huh.
So nice job. And I was just telling everybody how that tiki bar in that corner really finishes this
really
yard
good.
up.
It looks really, really good.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
It's amazing.
So I hope you guys enjoy it. And
Yeah.
I'm going to send you some t-shirts and hats.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, that's no problem at all.
I'm so...
The famous Scott DeWitt. You don't have any, Scott?
No, I don't.
Oh, I'll have to get you some too. Extra small?
Yeah.
Okay. Slim. All right. Well, I'll tell you what. It was a good install. We're done. We're going to be heading home in a few minutes. So from Wesley Hills, New York, for Jimmy and Isaac, Scott and Mikey Nemec. Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, here is the final segment for this. Oh boy, I can't even talk right now. For this week's installs. It's Monday afternoon, and as you guys just previously saw, we finished up that tiki bar in Wesley Hills, New York. So we got back at 1 o'clock, and now we were down at the Side Door Pub having lunch. So Scott wanted to go home, so he didn't join us. So this is it, and this is the Side Door Pub where we all kind of hang out. So 2 tiki bars in 3 days, 2 installs, and obviously we're taking the rest of the day off. I'm going to enjoy my pizza and my beer. Yep. One of my friends thought it would be funny when I started growing my hair out. Patty took a picture, and they made a sticker of me and Captain Kangaroo. So there you go. There you guys go. I hope you're laughing. Now my hair is much longer now. That was when I first started growing it out. So anyway. All right. Well, I'll tell you what. The 2 installs went great. Mikey was a big help today. Jim and Scott and everybody on Saturday did a great job as well. So, all right. This is the end of the video. So we'll see you guys sometime in the middle or the end of the week with another update. So from the Side Door Pub, Tiki Kev out.